heart beats fast, colors and promises. How to be brave? How can I love when I'm afraid to fall? But what? Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. I know this is a little too much, but it is a bridal look. If it was my wedding, I would probably not wear this. I just didn't have anything smaller, so I just wore it. It's a beautiful Nikkah makeup look, and it's mostly targeted to Afghans. I don't really know if other Muslim countries wear green when they're doing their Nikkah. I know that as Afghans we do, so I wanted to make this little video for my Afghan brides, because I know a lot of people are scared of color nowadays. They don't really want to use the green. I am not a big fan of it for a wedding myself. There's still some girls who want a hint of green on their eyes, so if you want a little green, this is the look for you. And I know some people just do their Nikkah a day or two before their wedding, so you could wear this look for your Nikkah and then you could have the natural brown for your wedding. So yeah, if you guys want to know how to get this beautiful look, please stay tuned. I did this eye off camera and I'm gonna do this eye for you guys, and I'm gonna be using the Huda Beauty textured rose gold palette. So I'm first gonna prime my lids using my soft ochre by MAC. This is literally the only base I ever use. Now I'm picking up the shade Bay. I'm just applying that all over the lid to set everything in place. Now I'm picking up the sandalwood and I'm applying this onto my crease with a big fluffy blending brush. Make a little V. And then just bring it all the way in. And then all the way out. With a smaller blending brush, I'm picking up the shade Henna and I'm applying that onto my crease to deepen my crease. And then on the outer corner, bring it all the way in. And then just blend it out. Now with the same small blending brush, I'm picking up the shade Cocoa and I'm focusing that on the outer corner of my lid and then blend it out. With a small pencil brush, I'm picking up the shade Cocoa again and I'm just gonna bring this onto my crease. Oh my god, you guys, you don't know what the struggle is with a hooded crease. I hate it. If you have a hooded crease, girl, I feel you. It's the worst. I hate it so much. I wish I could do something about it other than getting surgery done, which I don't think I will, unless I'm like really old and I really need it. But I wish I just hate my hooded eyes, guys. I'm picking up henna again. And just roll in. Okay. I'm just picking up a little more of henna and I'm gonna drag it here. With a flat brush, you can either do concealer or you can use your foundation. I'm just gonna use my Huda foundation with a flat brush like this. And I'm gonna cut my crease with that. So I'm gonna look straight, figure out where my crease is, and just clean that little area. I have to get a little close to the mirror. Okay, so like that. Now with a flat brush, I'm just picking up the shade Bay and I'm just gonna apply that right over here on top of the Huda Beauty foundation. Okay, just to set it. And then I'm just picking up a little bit of moon dust. Just a tiny little bit. And I'm just applying that over it. Now I'm taking Huda Beauty's Emerald Obsessions palette. And what I'm gonna do, and I'm just gonna pick up this shade right here with a small little brush. And I'm just gonna apply this between the nude and the brown. And I'm just blending these out. I'm picking up a little of the henna shade and mixing these two shades together on the other corner. Oh, I'm just picking up a little tiny bit of the shade right here. So it's easier to blend with the nude shade. Like that. Do you see how nice that looks? I'm just gonna pick up more of this little beautiful green and just deepen the green again. So I'm gonna do my eyeliner off camera and I'll be right back. So the eyeliner is on. You can do regular eyeliner. You just have to do this kind of eyeliner again because of my hooded eye. Okay, so the next step is I'm using this little glue glitter from Sephora, and I got this little glitter online. You can literally use any glitter you want. I just have this. I love using the Stila ones. They're so easy to work with, but the one that's this shade I am running out of. I actually ran out of it. It's dried up on me. So yeah, I'm gonna use this. I'm just taking a little brush like this, a tiny brush, and I'm just gonna pick up some of the glue with this, just a tiny little bit, tiny amount of the glue, and I'm just gonna go very little step by step and apply the glue. So now got the glitter and I applied it over the glue. Now pick up some more glue and apply it to where you want the glitter to go. Pick up some of your glitter and apply it like that, and try to go slow so it doesn't come out too thick, because once you have the glitter on, it's really hard to take it off without ruining your eyeshadow. So at the end, just kind of feather out the glitter, kind of like this, just there. So I just picked up some of the shade Cocoa with my pencil brush, and I'm gonna apply this close to my lower lash line and then connect it with the eyeliner. And then I'm just gonna pick a little bit of the henna shade and just blend these two shades out. And don't worry about it being too messy over here. We'll clean it up when we're applying the eyeshadow. The foundation. I'm hungry, I'm stressed, I'm sorry. I don't know what the hell I'm talking about. Okay, so that is the eyes for you guys. And for primer, I'm going to be using the Gripping Primer. And I'm going to apply this all over my face. And for foundation, I'm going to be using my Huda Beauty's Faux foundation. And I am in Custard. Just taking a little bit and applying it all over, because this can get really thick and cakey on me. I literally took one little squirt and this is how much is left, and like almost my whole face is covered. I haven't used this foundation with the Gripping Primer before. I just feel like it's hard to move it around right now. So I'm just gonna apply whatever's left onto my neck. And for concealer, I'm gonna be using the Huda Beauty concealer. And let's just try to get as little as I can. This is little, I'm just like spreading it out so it looks like I have a lot, but I really don't. Right. Blend that out with you. Okay, so I'm just blending it out with my little sponge. I'm trying not to bring my sponge too close to the eyeshadow because I don't want to ruin it. I'm just going to take my little brush and go around the eyeshadow with it. And to bake, I'm going to be using my Fenty Beauty powder, picking some of that up and just applying under my eye. And just apply the rest onto your face. I'm gonna contour and do my eyebrows off camera, and I'll be right back. So I contoured and did my eyebrows off camera. Now I'm gonna take my brush and just wipe away the setting powder that's setting on my skin. Just gonna use a smaller brush around the nose. For blush, I'm gonna be using this little palette from Tarte Cosmetics, and I'm just gonna mix these two shades together and apply it onto my face. Just want to make sure I'm recording. And for highlighter, I'm gonna be using my favorite palette from Mercier. I'm gonna mix these two shades. I love this palette, but it does have a lot of fallout. Do you guys see? But that's okay. So I'm just gonna apply this onto my cheekbones. You guys, excuse my skin. I swear, I don't know what's going on. Maybe I'm just really dehydrated, but it's just so like, I have like little bumps everywhere and I don't know what to do about it. Okay, and I'm just gonna apply a little on the tip of my nose. Hudson and Ruffle trim has been my favorite lip duo for the past few weeks, and I've been overdoing it, I know, but it just looks perfect with this look, so I'm gonna do it. Okay, sorry. So I'm taking Hudson first and outlining my lips with it. Okay, and now I'm taking a ruffle trim and I'm just gonna apply this over it. I'm gonna set my face using Make It Last by Milani. So I just want to make my lips a little lighter for this look. So I'm taking Pure Hollywood from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I'm just gonna apply a little in the midsection. Okay, that looks so much lighter and better. And now for lashes, I'm gonna apply Scarlet Lashes by Huda Beauty. I'm gonna apply this off camera and I'll be right back. With a small detail brush, I'm gonna pick up this shade right here and I'm gonna apply it to my inner corners. Thing on this side, just drag it up a little bit, and then under your brow bone. This just gives it a nice highlight. And I'm just gonna apply some mascara to my lower lashes. You can use whatever mascara you want. This is the final look, you guys. I know it's a little much, but it is a wedding. It is your wedding. And as I know, my Afghans and Middle Easterns, I don't know if I would go. I would. Never mind. I was gonna say I don't know if I'll go all out for my wedding. Yes, I would. I'm a crazy person, and I know. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this look come together. I think it's beautiful. Like, it's a very subtle, beautiful green. It's not too much in your face. You can even tone it down a little more if you wanted to. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this look, and please like and subscribe to my channel and thumbs up this video if you like it. Also, follow me on Instagram and TikTok, both at Makeupbyroya. Love you guys. Please stay safe. Mwah. Bye.